Hey guys, welcome back to the video series on MuleSoft. In our previous video, we have gone through the brief introduction of MuleSoft in general. In this video, we will learn about MuleSoft SLDC, the software development lifecycle, and take a quick look at the Anypoint platform and its features such as Design Center, Anypoint Exchange, Runtime Manager, and last but not the least, the Mule VCore sizing. So let's begin. Like in my previous videos, I did some PPTs on today's topics, so these are the steps of the software development lifecycle of any Mule application. Design, develop, review, deploy, test, and code commit. You do your design in the design center of Anypoint platform. As you are through with it, you publish your design code to the exchange and export it to the Anypoint Studio. Here you can develop your Mule application. You can review your final app or API in Studio alone. And finally, you can deploy it to the cloudhub runtime manager. We will now restrict ourselves to the cloudhub deployment target. In the past video, I have shown you the other three deployment targets we have. As you just completed your build and start your testing, there are two types of testing which you can perform. Hitting your exposed endpoints through regression and load testing tools such as Postman, Apache JMeter, and SoapUI. And the second method of testing is by using your munits like JUnits in Java. Postman mostly helps us with REST-based API testing, whereas SoapUI is primarily used for SOAP web services, which primarily works on digital files. Apache JMeter is used for regression/load testing and helps us to analyze aspects like API CPU memory usage via Mule runtime monitoring, application failure, and throughput, which is a value used to indicate number of requests the server or API can handle per second. So remember, platform is used for API design and deployments, but not for development. But recently MuleSoft added an extra feature to use Anypoint Studio components like transform messages, loggers, or connectors in the design center as well. So first let's see the actual Anypoint platform. So for that, we need to log on to anypoint.mulesoft.com and open your platform account. So here are the features: Design Center, API Manager, Runtime Manager, Monitoring, Access Management, and Exchange. In Exchange you get your documentation. In Design Center you do the design for your API, and in Runtime Manager you finally deploy your applications which you have developed in Anypoint Studio. So first, I want you to go to the Design Center and create new. I have already developed an application which we will discuss in the later videos. So first, if you want to create your API specification, hit on Create New and create API specification. You can also create an API fragment, which is an incomplete reusable form of specification. You can also create your Mule application like the one which you do in your Anypoint Studio. That's where you can, this is the place for Mule applications. If you had deployed your Mule app in the runtime manager, you have to select this thing called as Vcores. Vcores is an acronym for Machine Virtual Cores. It can apparently be compared to the machine cores of your Windows laptop. MuleSoft is partnered with AWS, and this concept of VCore sizing is basically derived from it. The storage space for the cloudhub applications is technically using AWS storage services. So with an increasing VCore size, the faster the parallel execution of the threads and the more the application can handle, and the less chances of running out of memory. So once again, with an increasing VCore, an additional memory of heap is provided to your app you deployed. This is similar to the concept of multi-threading in Java. The next important concept is workers and regions. So the workers are basically independent servers located at specific regions, ready to load balance and take a hit whenever there's a circumstance of failure. This multiple server configuration is the foundation of any cloud-based integration technology. These are the locations at which MuleSoft servers are currently residing at. 12 theoretical servers with 12 regions across the globe are ready to take over. In our next video, we will start with an actual API design or in Anypoint platform. Hope you like my content. Once again, thank you and please subscribe to learn Mule on the fly with me. Bye.